Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen like this to open the quick panel, and right here we have the Do Not Disturb mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark to confirm. As you can see, it says Do Not Disturb enabled, and the icon changes the color. Also, you can tell that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled because you will have this icon right here on the home screen, on the watch face. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode. And to disable it, simply open the quick panel again, tap on the icon again, it will say Do Not Disturb disabled, and once you go back to watch face, the icon will be gone. You can also enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode via the settings. So let's press the crown button to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the option called sound and vibration. Here scroll down, find the option Do Not Disturb and tap on it. And right here we can enable the Do Not Disturb by tapping on the switch next to all day, tapping on check mark, and to disable it, tap on the switch again. You can also make a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. So basically you can set the period of time in which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on and turning off. So if you enable schedule option, the options will appear start and end. If you tap on start, you can set the hour on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on automatically. And you can do it by swiping up and down on minutes and hours, like this. And once you're done, you can tap on OK. Then we tap on the end time and set the hour on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning off. And I'm gonna set it to 6:30. 30, like this. And now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 6:30 a.m. Of course, you can also disable this option by tapping on the switch. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.